So this morning I gave a workshop on the vigilant anaesthetist, so how to incorporate techniques like mindfulness into everyday practice to try and train to be mentally fit to do our job better, which was great. 2 really different groups. I got to do some meditation and lie down on the floor, which was excellent. And then this afternoon I've just gone to how to set up a high-risk obstetric clinic, which is a little bit of shift in pace, and I'm about to go to a mentoring workshop. So lots of really diverse themes. But yeah, feeling super happy to be here. Great to run into old friends. It's been a really good vibe today.
Just keeping up with my practice and learning, always learning. Every time we go to these meetings you learn something, and catching up with some of my colleagues. I mean, I've got colleagues that I've known for years and years and years, and usually we catch up with them at these scientific meetings, especially from Auckland. So it's a social and educational activity for me.
I've gone to the Echo workshop, and I've also gone to the upper arm block workshop, and that was really awesome. Both were really good.
Yeah, pretty impressed with what you've seen so far?
Very impressed. I learnt a lot, and I take that home back to my hospital.
And anything you're looking forward to for the rest of the week?
I'm going to a mentoring workshop just now, and I'm really looking forward to that. I think it'll be really useful for when I take it back to my hospital.
So I'm looking forward to the trainee session this afternoon. I guess being a trainee, it's good to have a dedicated session to go to and to learn from leaders in the field early on in your career.
Anyone in particular you're looking forward to speakers-wise?
Obviously the president of the college, he's going to give us an update on what research should be informing our practice, so it'll be great to hear what he has to say.
I've just been to Royal North Shore and done an obstetric, hemorrhage and difficult airway workshop, so that was fantastic, really well run, and a great group of people. Yeah.
Anything you're looking forward to in the week?
Bit of collegiate atmosphere, a few social functions, going to some more workshops today. Yeah, just generally seeing what's happening in anaesthesia.
So I'm looking forward to the excitement of all the different conference presentations. I really enjoy the keynote speakers always, and especially looking forward to my wife getting awarded her ANZCA tonight.
So I've been doing the Awake Fibre Optic workshop and just helping run that. So it's been great just going through the processes myself and then being able to teach other people about it. So yeah.
Response been good?
So far? So as far as I know, it's been good.
And is there anything you're looking forward to coming up in the week?
Yeah, so I'm just looking forward to the whole program, to be honest. And it's a week away from work, just learning things again. So yeah.